The greatest common factor is also called greatest common divisor or highest common factor. So what is it? How can we find it? Suppose you have two numbers, 8 and 12. The greatest common factor of these two numbers will be the greatest positive integer that is the factor of both of them. The greatest positive integer that can divide both of them without any remainder. That will be the greatest positive divisor of both of them, common in both. How can we find this number? Yes, the easiest way is finding all the positive factors of both of them. Then we can select which one is the highest common number, highest common factor. Let's list all the positive factors of these two numbers. Now let's try to figure out the common factors. Which factors are common? First, we have 1. Next, 2. Next, we have 4. Is there anything else? No. So here we have 3 common factors between them, 1, 2 and 4. Which one is the greatest here? Which one is the largest here? Of course, 4. So the HCF or GCF or GCD of 8 and 12 is 4. We don't always have the smaller numbers. We sometimes have bigger numbers to find the GCF. If we try to list all the factors and figure out the highest common factor from the lists, it will take time. We have another way to find the GCF with the help of the prime factorization. It will take less time, and you can find the GCF of bigger numbers with the help of this one. Let's try some of the numbers with prime factorization. I have two numbers here, 40 and 70. And I have done the prime factorization. Now from the prime factorization, we will find the GCF. As the GCF is the highest common factor, we will take the common prime factors. First, we have 2. Here also we have 1, 2. But here we have 2 more 2's. But here we don't have any other 2. So we will take only 1, 2. Next we have 5 here. Here I have 1, 5. Here also. I don't have any other prime factors here, but here I have 1, 7. But I cannot take because it's not common. So I can take only 2 and 5. And how will I write? So I will write the GCF equal 2 multiplied by 5 equal 10. So our GCF here is 10. The highest common factor or the greatest common factor or the greatest common divisor of 40 and 70 is 10. Let's practice with some other numbers. Here I have other two numbers, 390 and 702. And I have done the prime factorization for both of them. Now I will find the common prime factors between them. So these are the common factors, common prime factors between these two numbers. The GCF of 390 and 702 is 78.